Let me show you how a chronograph works on a Patek Philippe watch movement in just 1 minute. Let's start the clock. A chronograph has 3 main functions: start, stop, and reset. First of all, press the top pusher once to start the chronograph. You'll see the central driving wheel begin to rotate. In order to stop the chronograph, press the same pusher again, which holds the driving wheel's movement. To reset the chronograph, press the bottom pusher instead. This activates the reset mechanism, causing the chronograph hand to return to its 0 position as the reset lever engages with the center of the chronograph wheel. And that's all for today. If you guys enjoyed this quick breakdown of this Patek Philippe chronograph, do hit the like button down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platform for more watch content. Do drop us a comment down below and let us know what you guys want to see next. And as always, stay tuned for our next video.